Four heroes. One world. No mercy.
Let's go. Pick my character, that didn't matter which. Sword or arrow, magic or fist. Doesn't make a difference, I never did. The game was set to punish before we even hit. Scroll the screen left, you went right. Now you're off the edge and out of sight. Come back. Too late. The respawn's already at the gate. We said we had it. We said this time. We said we knew the pattern. We'd be fine. Then it came again.
It keeps coming.
It keeps coming. It keeps coming. Don't matter how you play it. Keeps coming. Four heroes was enough. It keeps coming. Keeps coming. Out of continues. It keeps coming. Quarters are never free. Keeps coming. And it doesn't care about you. It keeps coming. Stay on screen, I'm trying to. The enemies respawn right behind you. Cleared this room 3 times now, same guy, same place. I don't know how you went left, I went right. Sharing one screen isn't a right. It's a privilege, the game revokes every time we think we finally know. Nobody warned us, nobody said that 4 heroes could still end up dead. That the screen wouldn't split, that the enemies reset. That we burn through our lives and have nothing left. But we knew. Didn't we? We always knew. Single beat.
Everything drops back in.
Castomira's laughing somewhere in the dark. We haven't even found her. We fell apart. 3 screens back in a cave, trying to remember how we thought we were brave.
One continue left between the 2 of us. The enemies keep coming, like they always does, like they always will, like they always have. Since the first time someone thought this would be fun.
It keeps coming.
It keeps coming. It keeps coming. Don't matter how you play it. Keeps coming. 4 heroes wasn't enough. It keeps coming. Keeps coming. Out of continues. It keeps coming. Quarters are never free. It keeps coming. And it doesn't care about you. It keeps coming. It never did. It never did.
It keeps coming.